Hey guys, it's me, Darkturn. I will be doing a slime bubbles challenge. I don't know how to say it, but as you saw from the title of this video, I will be doing a slime competition with bubbles. So I got this idea from Sofia Alami, so I'll put that in the description below if I remember. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you don't know like what the rules kind of are, you have to pick some slimes and you have to try to make bubbles, and the biggest bubble will win. And then I don't know if I will do like all the way to like 10th place. I don't even know how much slimes I have. But wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I had 10. No idea. I'm really bad at counting. But yeah, let's get on to the first slime. I actually, well, I didn't make this slime, but I like remade it kind of. Not really. I put some glitter in it. It wasn't that long ago. And like now that it's like a bunch of glitter, I like to call it pixie fruit slime. It's actually pretty clicky. But yeah, this slime never really makes bubbles that much. Let me show you some ASMR, so I'll stop talking now. So yeah, that's the first slime. As you can probably see, it doesn't really make bubbles. I'm gonna try, but because it's kind of old, it's like 3 months. Man, this slime is old. But yeah, so this slime definitely doesn't make bubbles. I'll try to make bubbles like a different way. Yeah, it doesn't have bubbles. I think because it's like not very stretchy, and see, like if I try to spread it out, then it'll just start ripping. But I really do like this slime a lot, so I don't really care if it makes bubbles or not. But yeah, this is definitely, well, a no for this competition, the bubble competition. Okay, next slime is this slime. And this slime is kind of like the last slime, so I'll show you this. But yeah, that's the slime. So as you could probably see, it's basically kind of like this pixie fruit slime. I don't really have a name for this. Tell me in the comments below if I ever ask you guys what names it could be. Like, I have no idea what this can be named. But yeah, it has this bunch of different beads in it. It's really weird. I don't know. But yeah, this is definitely a no. For bubbles. And I will put all the no's right here and all the yeses right here. Okay, so next is this slime. Yeah, here is the, well, ASMR kind of, because I'm really bad at it. So, so it wasn't really like these two slimes. It's kind of different. It's like kind of like better at doing bubbles. So, like there's a little crack right there, or crack. There's like a little pop right there. Right. But yeah. So this is but here will be like kind of. So I'm gonna put that on kind of. Need to get one more slime. Sorry if this is really bad. Like this video is really bad. But like always, it's always bad. But next slime is this slime. I actually like this slime a lot. It has like little googly eyes in it. Let me show you on the camera. Okay, wait. It's just so close. Okay. Since this slime is kind of old too, I don't think old slimes make bubbles because they're kind of tough. Okay, this definitely made a bubble. I don't know if you saw because I was doing it on the ground, or the table. But yeah. Sorry if I'm really bad at ASMR. It's because like I have a shaky camera because I don't have a tripod for like slime, I guess. I don't know. But I'll put this in the good. Okay, so the next is this slime. Actually, it is pretty old, but it's pretty flexible or stretchy. I don't know why I said flexible. It's kind of sticky. I think this should make a bubble. Yep. So I made a bubble, more than one. I really like the color. Okay. Probably gonna be playing with this the whole time, sorry. So yeah, this is definitely a yes. And sorry if you hear fart noises. Okay. It's not all the way to the bottom, but this is definitely a yes. Okay, next has to be this slime. It's kind of like so hard. So this, I'm not even gonna try because all the beads will literally just fly out. And I'm just literally poking it and then the beads are flying out. Ew. It literally like goes up when you, I mean, it's not like super bad like my other slimes. Okay, some slimes are really, really bad. But this is definitely a no. Next slime is this slime. This is actually a new slime. I think I got it on Friday. Last Friday. Wait, is it Friday? No, it's not Friday. Really clicky. Kind of just a little bit hard. Because sometimes, no, I'm trying to save it. Because sometimes it's a little hard to like squish. Yes, I got a bubble. Okay, I am going to do a big part of my life. Not a big part though. I'm going to try to make this satisfying, which is probably not going to be satisfying because I'm me, so. Okay, this is going to be hard. Probably not the best idea doing it on camera. It's going all over the table. Not all over. It's going, the slime is picking it up. That's good. And I like the texture of like slime with like this type of glitter in it. I keep saying like, oh my god. Like, I keep saying like, what the heck? But I just like the feeling. It kind of feels like sand, but like a little bit like better. I don't know if you like the feeling of sand, but I do. So I like slime with glitter in it. Not too much though. But yes, this does make bubbles. Sorry for if I'm going off topic, putting glitter in slime. But yeah, this can make bubbles. So this is the yes. Next is this slime. I'm kind of scared because this slime is pretty sticky and I don't want to squish it because that's... I actually tried to make this fluffy slime, but I guess I kind of melted because I did make this with shaving cream, but now it's just a glossy slime, so, but I still call it marshmallow melt. Maybe I'll add some shaving cream, not right now though, because I'm going off topic. Okay, yeah, this is a yes, so I'm not going to squish it because I already told you, it's way too sticky for me to squish it. Although I like it a lot. Some slimes I like better than this one, but this slime was pretty good. But yeah, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, this doesn't count. So 4, like bubblers slimes. I don't know. And then there is 1 maybe slime, and then there's 3 like slimes that aren't bubble-y. I don't know how to say that, but I have 3 more slimes, so I'm gonna have to move this over here. This is my big slimes. Okay, so first is my fluffy slime. feel like there's like less and less in the container because there is way more than just this. Ooh, it's clicky. It's super clicky. Okay, so yes, this has good bubbles. And this is kind of like that slime, the marshmallow melt slime, but less stickier. Oh my god, I wish you guys could see that. It was like a humongous bubble. But yeah. So yes, this is definitely a bubbly slime. Well, that's not really how you say it, but it's a bubbler. I just really need to get a new container for this because I have way more glue left. So this is a good. I'm just gonna put it down here. Now I think this is called my lemony lemonade. I have no idea. Slimy lemonade. I don't know. I haven't played with this slime in a while. Here's the slime. So this is my butter slime, or clay slime. I forgot to add lotion to the Model Magic. So it's super, no! Oh, well, I guess it's gonna be like, what mix? I don't know. But I accidentally put blue in here. I don't know if you can see anymore. But yeah. Super sometimes not satisfying. But let's see if this can make bubbles. It's probably gonna rip. Yep, I know it. It's gonna rip. I'm probably gonna make more butter slime. Yeah, I definitely am. Because I need more because, yeah. But this is definitely a no. So I'm gonna put that over there. And the last one of the day is, I like to call it chocolate milk or hot chocolate, but it might not look like it on the camera, so I don't know. I don't think this is gonna be bubbly or bubble-y or bubbles either. I try to save it. No. Because it's a clay and it's kind of hard, so. No, I need to save it. Yeah, it does not make. It made bubbles. Oh, I got blue on this too. I don't know if you could see it. But yeah, I got bubbles on this too, so. But yeah, I guess this makes a little bit of bubbles. Not too much though. Save it, save it. I mean, it doesn't show the bubbles, but it's definitely like, kind of like inside the slime. But yeah. So I guess this is a maybe, or like a eh. So yeah, there is 4 good slime. Wait, no. 5 good slimes, and there's 2 slimes, and there's 4 bad slimes. It's not bad slimes, but it's slimes that don't really make bubbles. But yeah, that's my video today, guys. And actually, well, I've told you this before. I got this video from Sofia Alami, so you could go check her out. Just type in Sofia Alami and then it'll pop up. Actually, she's my best friend. I've done a collab with her. You could go check that other video out. Please subscribe, like, and comment how I could be better. And yeah. And actually, I have a surprise for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be uploading it tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, it's a big surprise. I don't know if it's big for you, because I don't know. But yeah, bye.